Okay, in this video we're going to show you how to create a new report. So once you're on this screen, just go up to create a new job, click on that. It will then open this box here where you click vehicle registration. You put the vehicle registration number in here of what you're going to be working on. Click OK. It will then take you to this screen, create new job. The only thing you need to put in here is the job number. So put in your job number. At this point, if you wish to save it, you can, and then you can put in the details later. If you know which technician you want on the job, you can put their name in here, client's business name, and these other details. So at this point, we're going to put a technician on here because we know that Bruce is going to be doing this job. Our business name is, and our contact for that business is John. We have his work number, his mobile number, customer email address, preferred contact method. John wants to be emailed, and you can put in their address. You have the vehicle registration number already in here, and we're going to be doing a service on this vehicle. Click save, then brings you to this screen here where you can choose which report you wish to attach. We're going to be doing a service. Click on service inspection and you're ready to go. So now up on this main screen, you have your job number, customer name, your technician's going to be working on it, and what's got to be done, and the date that it was created. At this point, it's in red, so you know it hasn't been inspected yet. Once the technician goes through this report and fills out all these categories, the technician can then click ready for review, and that job status will change on that main screen, and you know that vehicle has been inspected. That will then take you back to this screen where you can see that the vehicle has been inspected. At this point, you can then look at any items that have been noted on the vehicle, and you can start quoting and email that to the customer for them to give you approval to go ahead. Thanks for watching.